How to rebuild investments after losing a job. Have you recently lost your job and are now worried about your investments? It's a situation many face. You're definitely not alone. In fact, studies show that a significant percentage of Americans, around 40%, experience job loss at some point in their careers. This video is for you if you're feeling the financial strain. We understand the challenge of rebuilding your investments after such a setback. That's why we've created this step-by-step guide to help you not just survive, but thrive. We'll provide a clear plan to navigate this difficult time. We'll cover everything from assessing your current situation to staying disciplined in your investment strategy. In this video, we'll cover 5 key steps. Assess your situation, control expenses, prioritize debt, reevaluate your investments, and stay disciplined. Let's get started. The first and most crucial step is to fully understand your current financial landscape. This means taking a hard look at your income, expenses, and assets. It's essential to know exactly where you stand before making any decisions. This will provide a solid foundation for your rebuilding strategy. Start by creating a detailed budget. Track every dollar coming in and going out. There are many helpful budgeting apps available, such as Mint or YNAB, that can simplify this process. These tools can help you visualize your spending habits. For example, let's say you were earning $60,000 a year and had $10,000 in investments before losing your job. Now you need to understand your new reality. Ask yourself these key questions. What are my essential expenses? How much cash do I have readily available? What debts do I have, and what are their interest rates? Once you have a clear picture of your finances, it's time to aggressively control your expenses. This is about making smart spending choices. Cutting non-essential expenses is crucial to freeing up cash. This cash can then be used to build a safety net. Consider canceling subscriptions you no longer use. Look for cheaper alternatives for things like entertainment and transportation. Your primary goal should be to build an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. For instance, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, aim for an emergency fund of $9,000 to $18,000. This will provide a financial cushion while you search for new employment. Remember these expense-cutting tips. Cook at home more often, cancel unused subscriptions, and negotiate your bills whenever possible. Every little bit helps. High-interest debt can be a major obstacle to rebuilding your investments. It's important to address it strategically. Focus on paying down credit card debt and other high-interest loans first. The interest charges can quickly eat away at your available funds. Consider using debt management strategies like the debt Snowball or debt Avalanche methods. These can help you stay motivated and make progress. For example, prioritize paying down a credit card with a 20% interest rate before considering further investments. This will save you money in the long run. Here are some debt management strategies to consider. The debt Snowball method, the debt Avalanche method, and balance transfers to lower interest rates. Choose the one that best suits your situation. Your investment strategy needs to align with your new financial situation and risk tolerance. Job loss often necessitates a shift in approach. Take the time to reevaluate your current investments. Are they still appropriate for your current circumstances? Consider selling underperforming assets to free up capital. Diversification is key to mitigating risk during uncertain times. Think about your risk tolerance, time horizon, and diversification needs. Also consider dollar cost averaging to gradually reinvest as you rebuild your income. Remember these investment considerations: risk tolerance, time horizon, diversification, and dollar cost averaging. These will guide your investment decisions. Rebuilding investments after job loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline and patience. Avoid making emotional decisions based on fear or panic. Stick to your plan even when things get tough. Stay informed about market trends and economic conditions, but don't let short-term fluctuations derail your long-term strategy. The key to success is to stay informed, stick to your plan, and seek professional advice when needed. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance. Let's quickly recap the key steps we've covered. First, assess your situation. Second, Control expenses and build an emergency fund. Third, prioritize debt management. Fourth, reevaluate your investment strategy. And fifth, stay disciplined and patient. Remember, job loss doesn't define your financial future. You can rebuild your investments with a strategic and disciplined approach. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This helps us create more content to support you on your financial journey. Rebuilding your investments is a journey, not a destination. Stay positive, stay focused, and you will achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.